What do you think, Smudge? Easy. Oh. Oh, Jesus. What the? Oh. Oh. Go ahead. Oh. That's why I didn't want that shovel there. Just pee right there, Smudge. Ugh.
She just stands there. She's gonna have an inch of snow on her before it's over here. Let me in. Let me in. Be in the house instead.
Shh. Oh.
Jeez. Tearing her up, I guess. Just gonna go up the edge.
And I can't tell if you did anything or not, Smudge. Oh, whoa.
I think she did. Good try, Smudge.